Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install PySpark Python library on a Windows operating system. Now to install PySpark, it is very important to have Python installed on your system. If you don't have Python installed on your system, then please do follow this video to know how to install Python. Once you install Python, let's verify it. Just go to search and open command prompt, and within command prompt just simply type python space -- version and hit enter. So you are going to get this type of prompt. So I have latest version of Python 3.14.1 installed on my system. Next thing is you need to check your pip version as well. So pip index version pip, just hit enter. That's going to give you list of all the available versions and the installed version and the latest versions. So you can see both the latest version and the installed version are all updated one. So I don't need to do anything. I have latest version of pip. But if you see some discrepancy over here, then you need to update your pip. So to update, just simply type python.exe -m pip install -- upgrade pip. Hit enter. Sorry, there has been a typo. It is not update.pip, it is pip. Sorry for that. So you can see requirement is already satisfied because I already have latest version of pip. But if you have some discrepancy over here, then you should be updating your pip by running this command. Once you have latest version of pip and latest version of Python, now it's time to install PySpark. So let's first clear our screen, and now let's install PySpark. So pip install PySpark, hit enter. So that's going to immediately start installing PySpark. You can see first it's going to download and then it's going to install. It's going to take some time. Let's wait for some time, and there you go. So you can see that our PySpark is now rightly installed. So now it's time to verify it. So you can close this command prompt and open our Python idle shell. You can do the same thing on Visual Studio or PyCharm or any other IDE that you are using for Python. I'm just giving a demo. So first you should import your PySpark. So PySpark imports PySpark, hit enter. You can see it's rightly imported. Next, let's print the version of PySpark that we have installed. So PySpark __ version, then _ in the bracket and hit enter, and you are going to get this version. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed PySpark. Do check out Cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free. Some of these videos are rock paper scissors game that I have created using Python, or creating this resume builder. So it will have all forms. So you'll be filling those forms, and on clicking that generate PDF button, it's going to generate a resume just like this attached thumbnail. So all these different projects are completely free. You can create your very own QR code, that too using Python and all that. So please do refer to all these different videos, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So to check out all these videos, I'm sure you are going to love them. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.